Hello friends, this is Praveen. Welcome to the course on PHP and MySQL. In my last video, I had discussed about form security, XSS attacks, and way to address XSS attack. Today, I am going to discuss about basics of regular expression. Regular expression. What is regular expression? Regular expression or regex is a sequence of characters that define a search pattern. It is used to validate user inputs like email, mobile number, name, etc. A regular expression pattern is composed of simple characters such as forward slash xyz forward slash for exact matching. That is all characters together and in the same sequence, or a combination of simple and special characters such as forward slash, go, star, forward slash, or forward slash backslash d plus forward slash. Here, first forward slash is for start of regular expression, while last forward slash is for end of regular expression. Regular expression in PHP. Bracket underscore match is a PHP built-in function used to find a regular expression match. It takes two required string parameters. Dollar pattern, this one is dollar pattern, is for the regular expression pattern, and dollar text is the string where patterns is to be looked for. It returns true if pattern exists in given string, that is in dollar text. Otherwise, it returns false. So let's check it here. Here we have a PHP script, and then brag underscore match function is used where pattern dollar pattern in place of dollar pattern hard coded pattern is passed on, and then dollar text, it is checked in this text or in this string variable, and if it matches then it will return pattern match found, else pattern match not found. Let us check it on the browser. So this is our Macromedia Dreamweaver text editor, and this is our PHP project site. This is PHP projects folder. Now add a new file, regex.php, regex.php. Double click it, open it. Now we'll start PHP script here, and PHP script if condition, if brag underscore match string for pattern, then string for text, and if statement closing, and this one else start close. Then here we have to pass on some pattern, so two forward slash start and end of pattern, then we'll pass abc plus. We'll discuss this plus. Plus is a quantifier actually, which indicates one or more occurrence of C here. We will discuss it in just in a bit. ABC 1, and then echo pattern match found or match found. Pattern match found, else echo pattern match not found. Save it, press function 12, pattern match found. Why it is finding? Because it is writing pattern is AB, so AB is there, then C, one or more occurrence. So C has occurred one time, so pattern is matching. We can check here A, B, C, Z. Now pattern is not matching. After A, B, C is not coming. So it should return pattern not matching or pattern match not found. This function 12. Just check it here. Pattern match not found. Now get back to our presentation. Some common special characters as plus or in the last in earlier time earlier presentation or earlier slide I have used backslash d. So this there are some common special character which is being used in regular expression to make a pattern. So let us take it one by one. So first few special characters are known as quantifiers because they actually they indicate number of characters or expressions to match. So star, it it means zero or more occurrence. Geo star, it means it will actually match or return true goods, go, gone, and good because zero. So this O should occur zero or more occurrence. Here G is there, O is not there. So fine, it will validate here one occurrence, here also one occurrence, here two occurrence. So it will return true for all the cases. Just check it on the browser. Here will pass geo star and here it's first is guts, no occurrence of zero or more. So it should validate pattern match found. Fine. Now we'll pass go. Save it. Pattern match found. Again gone. Save it. Pattern match found. Now more than one occurrence. Save it. It is fine. So if Z is not there, then it will return a false. Pattern match not found. Get back to our presentation. Next is plus quantifier, which means one or more occurrence. Go plus. Here O must be there, must be present after Z at least one time. So here it will validate geo, go, gone, good, but it will not validate goods. So let us take it on the browser. Here go plus quantifier, use plus quantifier. Your Z, it should validate pattern match found. But if guts, so it should not validate as O is not following Z. Pattern match not found. Get back to our presentation now. Question mark. It means 0 or 1 occurrence. Go question mark. So exact 0 or 1, not more than 1 occurrence. So it should validate goods, go, gone, but it will not validate good. So let us take it on the browser. So here It should be question mark guts. Exact. It will validate guts. Yes. It will validate go, but it will not validate good as O is O is repeated twice after Z. Pattern match found. 0 or 1. Okay. Okay, it's repeated 0 or 1 occurrence. So it should not validate. Okay, this match is found. No issue. So after that, any character, no issue. So if we don't use here, okay, we'll use it afterwards. Will see it when we'll see the difference of this question mark and plus sign when we will study about assertions. So check it here. Now get back to our presentation. So our quantifiers, this, and then another quantifier is within curly braces we put x and y, where y is the upper limit and x is the lower limit. So if we put single variable, then exact three character match. Suppose we put in curly braces 3, it means exact 3 character long. If we put we use 5 comma 10, it means the character or character should be minimum 5 or max 5 10 character is allowed. Then 6 comma, it means a is allowed up to uh, minimum 6 character, and afterwards there is no limit, upper limit. And this quantifiers always refer to the pattern immediately preceding to the left of the quantifier. It means the star is meant for O, plus is meant for O, it is not meant for G. Question mark is meant for O. Here this 3 is meant for A only. This 5 or 10 limit is meant for A. This limit is also meant for A. So now we check it on the browser. Go star. Now we'll use another curly braces A3. So double A, it should not validate. Pattern match not found. 3. So it will find. Yes, pattern match found. Here D, D. Still pattern match is there. 3A is there. So it will print pattern match found. Pattern match found. If we remove this A here from here and here, sorry, here, then it will return pattern match not found, because consequent A is not placed 3 times here. Now get back to our presentation. Next is character class. It distinguishes between types of characters. \w. It means any alphanumeric character including underscore, that is from uppercase A to uppercase Z, lowercase a to lowercase z 0 to 9 in numbers and underscore. So sample match is any character within this range, and so let us check it on the browser. We'll check it \w plus. Plus means any character one or more times. So print here, pattern match is found. Everything is here. So we'll remove everything, underscore. Save it, pattern match found. Now if we use @, so it is a special character, and so it will return pattern match not found. Now get back to our presentation. \W, any non-alphanumeric character except underscore, that is special characters. So here it has been a caret sign is used within big bracket. It means not of the other characters. So except this characters, anything is allowed. Other character, all characters are allowed. So dollar percentage, hash, @ etc. Let us check it on the browser again. Here, just change it here. Earlier it was returning pattern match not found. Now it will return pattern match found. Pattern match found. If we use here underscore, save it, it should return pattern match not found. Pattern match not found. Get back to our presentation. Next is \t, any numeric number, that is 0 to 9. So numbers we can use, just check it on the browser now. \d plus. So no number, it should return pattern match not found. Use any alphabet, pattern match not found. A special character, pattern match not found. Now we'll pass some number, pattern match found. So \d represents any number between 0 to 9, or any number using 0 to 9. Get back to our presentation. \s, it represents white space character, that is single white space character, not double. So we will see how we can impose single or double white space character, but right now we will see only single space character. So let us take it again here, \s plus. So here 98, save it, there is no space, so pattern match not found. We'll give some space here, save it, pattern match found, as there is a space. Now get back to our presentation. \. It is used to use any of the special characters literally by putting a \/ in front of it. If plus is to be used literally, then it should be skipped by putting \/ in front of the plus, that is \++. So we can use here like this, \/ plus \/ will match either plus or minus, or plus minus, or minus plus. Or we can use Now we can see here using backslash lowercase w plus followed by backslash plus followed by only plus character. So let us take it here on the browser. Backslash w plus, so it represent any alphabet or number including underscore. Then if we want this number to be followed by a simple plus, literally we want to use, then save it. Pattern match not found, so we'll just use here plus, and this space we have to remove. Now it should be, because it is for backslash w plus and then this plus sign, so it should return pattern match found. Pattern match found. Now get back to our presentation. Dot, it matches any single character. So we will check it here on the browser. Dot plus dot plus. It will find any character one or more time. So it should return match found any character. Space, it should return match found. At the rate special character, it should return match found. Oh, no, control I used. So just sit at the rate. Now match found. So dot is means any single character, any character. Now get back to our presentation again. Next is groups and ranges. It indicate groups and ranges of expression character. Parenthesis. It is used to group patterns. For example, AB plus. So here this plus quantifier is used for both AB, not just B, because it has been grouped by parentheses. So sample match will be AB, 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 etc. So let us take it on the browser. AB plus. So it should return, if we write B, it should return false. If we return BA, it should return false again. But if we write AB, it should return true. Match found. AB. Save it. Match found. One time match is found, it is over. It will return match found. Now get back to our presentation. Big bracket. It is a character set. Matches any one of the enclosed characters. Range of characters can be specified using hyphen. For example, A hyphen Z. It represents all the uppercase alphabets. So it will sample match will be any uppercase alphabet. So let us take it on the browser. Here we will use save it. Now there is no uppercase alphabet, so it should return false or matter pattern match not found. Now if we use any alphabet A, sorry, set A, then this match is found and it should return pattern match found. Pattern match found. Get back to our presentation. This pipe character. It is used for alternation, essentially to specify this or that within a pattern. So if you group this A pipe B, it means that A or B is used, will return true. So let us take it on the browser again. Here we will see A pipe B. So either A or B, AB. Save it because A is also matching, B is also matching. It will return pattern match found. A, save it. It should return pattern match found. B, save it. Pattern match found. If if it is C, it will return pattern match not found. Get back to our presentation. Assertions. It includes boundaries which indicate the beginnings and endings of lines and words. Caret sign matches the beginning of input. Here, / caret sign capital I matches capital IT and not it or SIT. So pattern start characters should be uppercase I, then only this regular expression will validate this string. Let us take it on the browser. This caret sign, I, and then here any string starting with I will be validated. So it's save it, price function 12, pattern match found. But if I change this I to this one, it will start invalidating or pattern match not found. Pattern match not found. Now get back to our presentation. The second assertion is dollar. It matches the end of input. That means if we write n dollar, then it will match any character ending with any string ending with n. Like run, it will validate. Runner, as it is ending with r, it will not be validated. Let us take it on the browser. So here n dollar. Runner, as the last character is n, it will not be validated. Pattern match not found. We have to change last character is n, so it will get validated here. Now we had seen some aberration in the quantifiers, so let us take it here. Now we will use this one, caret sign geo star geo plus and then dollar sign. Save it here. Go. So one or more occurrence. So here after O there should not be any character because last character has to be O. Save it. Pattern match found. If we start, gets or so it's fine. Now the difference was question mark here. So G, it's a return. Pattern match found. GO, save it. It's a return. Pattern match found. OD, it's a not return. Pattern match found. Not found. Now get back to our presentation. Another is positive lookahead. A question mark within parenthesis question mark is equal to B. Question mark is equal to represent positive lookahead. So usually what happens? Positive lookahead means after A, question mark is equal to represent A must be followed by B, and this is used for setting constraints in passwords like uppercase letter is required, a lowercase letter is required, or a number is required, a special character is required, or length is required, minimum 8 character, max 12 character. Like that we can use positive lookahead. So here it will match AB but not AZ or AC. So let us take it on the browser. A question mark is equal to represent positive lookahead, or so here question mark B. So it means A must be followed by B, otherwise it will return false. Match found. If B is not there, C, pattern match not found. Now likewise, next is our negative lookahead. Negative lookahead means within parenthesis question mark not or exclamation sign. It means negative lookahead. That means A must not be followed by B. So it matches A, AC, AZ, A1, etc. But AB will not be matched. So let us take it on the browser. A question mark not. So negative lookahead. A must not be followed by B, and here same condition is matching. So it will return pattern match found. Pattern match found. If we say AB is followed by B, so it will return pattern match not found. So these are the basics of regular expression being used in any language. Thank you for watching the video. In my next video of part 3 of form security and validation in PHP, I will be discussing about how to use regular expression in PHP script for validating user inputs. If you liked the video, then please like, subscribe and share it.